Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin, your daily update. And this video, just to start off with a positive tone, is going to be slightly more bullish. I actually quite like the way Bitcoin is looking this morning. It is a Friday, which, as most of you know, Fridays are quite volatile. So there's definitely no guarantees in continuation of the bullish momentum. But so far, I mean, we've actually seen some activity. XRP has been rallying quite a bit, WIF as well, but WIF is still down a huge amount, much more. But no, I mean, the market right now as a whole actually looks quite good. If we're taking a look at Bitcoin specifically, look, I mean, if you take a look at the volume, it's pretty low, all right? So that is something I don't necessarily like. $31 billion. It's down about 40% from yesterday. So that is definitely not that's not amazing. But the volume increased to up to 50 billion as well in defending the bottom and actually creating some bullish momentum from 2 days ago into yesterday, right? So during the night, yesterday night, we can say. So that volume was quite well spent as well, I would say, defending the bottom. And I just punched the bottom of my laptop. Hopefully you did not hear that. So that's quite good. But you can see purely technically that, you know, the volume is not there. But you can see where we first had a relatively bearish structure, I would say, making lower lows across the board. Now, for the first time, we've actually made a higher low, and you can see that whereas the downtrend was very much respected for the majority of the time since last week Tuesday, now you can see for the first time we've actually managed to at least so far sustainably break above the 28 EMA at least. So. In short, look, it's not super clear and super bullish. Like I said, I mean, I would have preferred to actually see this last move up with quite a lot of volume as well. But then at the same point of time, the bullish momentum that we have seen overnight is not leveraged, which I always like. Technically, we have made a higher low so far. We're not being rejected off of strong resistance. So there's definitely things to be positive about. And it's about time we can actually be a little bit more positive. And then outside of that, I also do think that the fundamentals are actually quite good. I mean, what you can see right now is that the S&P 500 futures until 1.5 hours ago were super bullish, are at the all-time highs. But in general, you can see they're strong. And then what I personally like even more is that the dollar strength index is dropping down like a brick right now. And it actually looks like, or at least this is the first time in a very long period of time that this could be the start of a downtrend. And a downtrend for the dollar strength index would be incredibly bullish. The last time we had that, here and there, it caused bullish momentum. Not always, though, and especially like the last time it trended down was from July until September. We did have some bullish momentum in September because of it, but we also had the recession fears in August, and then obviously the German government selling Bitcoin, if most of you still remember, which did not really provide that good of returns for Bitcoin. But like I said, right now it's turning bearish. That's great. That's great for capital markets in general, asset markets in general. And that in combination with the fact that, you know, we have actually hit that level at 94,000. So we have gotten close to the bottom of the range. We do not always get to the bottom of the range. And I do think the environment for risk on assets, now with renewed P stocks, whatever you think of them, has increased. So for now, I'm cautiously optimistic and cautiously bullish on Bitcoin here. And I think the next move is most likely going to be some sort of a move into 98, 99,000. And then I will keep you updated on this because it very much depends on the reaction to those levels, whether we can do something like this, take a bullish break retest and rally up higher, or whether we'll just reject there and drop back down into 93, 92,000. It's just too uncertain for me to tell you right now. Short term, let's assume this is most likely, so that we will get that move up, but that we will reject. It's better. We can better be safe than sorry. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.